What's up, guys? This is a video of putting a Pro Circuit R304 shorty on a 2022 SX125. I don't have the stock header on it right now. I have a FMF factory rev. Yeah, and just the stock silencer. And yeah, here I'll do a startup in here in a second of the stock silencer with a factory rev header. And then I'll show the install and then of the final result, and maybe a video of me ripping it down the field. But yeah, all right, so this is it. The stock is off. It's cold right now, so it's gonna be bogging and pretty smelty. The factory rev makes it really pingy. Not so much crisp, but pingy. So it's gonna be interesting for the FMF and the Pro Circuit together. So let's get that puppy on and start it up, and then I'll see how I feel, and maybe I'll take it for a rip down the field and get my friend a video. Holy, look at the smoke. Oh my God. Okay. So to get these bolts off, I'm just using a T30 Allen head. You can see in there, it's coming off pretty good. And then, yep, there's two of them. And then there's the washer, whatever you want to put, I don't know. Apparently I have to take that off. Not take it off, but like slide the new one into it. Interesting to see how that worked, because I did put a pipe on my 85. And it was pretty easy. So, yeah. Hopefully there's no these bushings that there is, damn it. Okay. Last time there was those bushings, they were a pain in the ass to get off. I actually had to take a grinder on my last bike and actually, yeah, to get it off. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna get it off and then show you putting it on, and yeah. I have no idea what the fuck I did wrong, but this fucker came off too. Should I start it up like that? Straight piped 125. Oh my God. Okay, so I think these bad boys just slide out. Yeah. But this is gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna try to fix it, and then not try to fix it, try to get it off, and then I'll be back. So I just got the thing on. The only problem was that bushing. It was really hard to get off the stock one. Most people don't have that problem. And then with the stock bolts, they were just going right through the OEM bushings up here too. It was really weird. So I just had to put a washer on there. I kind of chipped it right there too, but yeah, here I'll start it up and then yeah. All right. Oh, it sounds so good. Definitely sounds way more crisp now. Pretty nice. Alright, I'll get a video of me going down the field. There's still enough light. Alright, so stay tuned for that. After all, it does sound pretty good. It sounds way more crisp. Like, it muffles the ping, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta get a pipe.
He's got the FMF shorty.
But with the stock pipe.
Yeah, stock pipe. All right, now you can hear him rip pie, and then, yeah.